What's up? This is Jimmy at Direct Truck and Auto Repair. This is October Car Care Month, which I mean every month is Car Care Month. So we're going to talk about tires today. So coming into from like a hot weather to a cold weather. So in hot weather, your tires are always going to be a little hotter on the road. The pressures are always going to be a little higher. So kind of like this morning, I jumped in this thing and I had a TPMS light, a tire pressure monitor light. Now that it's getting a little warmer, we'll have a little bit less pressure. So the tires were right there, but I just needed to add like 1 or 2 pounds on it. But with cold weather, the pressures will come down. Will consistently stay down a little bit. So I, check all the tires. We live in California, so there's not a big deal. I mean, we lately have been getting some rain, but just make sure you guys have good tread. And if you guys live in some like where the rest of the country lives, where there's snow and there's really ice and all that, I know you're gonna have to have some kind of snow tire versus a summer tire, or even have like an all-weather tire. I always have all-weathers on here because it's that we live, like I said, we live in California. The worst we get is a lot of rain, unless I go up to Big Bear Mountains or something like that, where when it's snowing. We have a tread depth gauge here. We just want to make sure that we are, see right here in the yellow says 3 and lower is, you're kind of pushing it. There's no tread, there's no water displacement, it's just going to become a slick. So you just put it in there, check your tread for about 30 seconds, 30 seconds. So these tires are going to be do pretty good for me this winter. So make sure you check your tires, check your air pressure, especially coming into the winter. Make sure that you're not going to be slipping and sliding everywhere. Keep yourself safe, keep others around you safe.